Hi everyone, my name is Farhan Khan. I'm going to present on the Dropbox. I'll give you the brief introduction about the Dropbox. It's a web-based file hosting service company founded in 2007. The founder and the CEO of the Drews Houston and Ash Wildews. More than 50 million users using the Dropbox, and 110 employees are mainly the engineer of the Dropbox. Dropbox based on cloud computing technology, and the consumer and the business user can store and share the files over the internet. The basic premium for the Dropbox is Pro 50, and for the businesses is Pro 100. $7.2 million series funding additional, and $250 million series B funding in October 2007. Paying customers in 175 countries, and we talk about the free users. It's 96% users using the Dropbox. That's for free. More than 30% new users from the referrals revenue, over $250 million in 2011, and $4 million market values as of the March 2012. It's a recent update. They made the huge profit in 2011. More than that, 1 billion files get saved in 3 days by over 45 million users. It means that 1 million files saved every 3 months. Non-pricing differentiation strategy. Non-pricing competition is a market strategy in which one firm tries to distinguish its product or services from competing product on the basis of attributes like designs and workmanship. The product development. If we talk about the product development, so we can say that add value to the existing product, developing digital product. Market development. If we talk about the market development, using the internet for targeting the customers and new geographical markets. And after that, we talk about the market penetration. Market penetration share growth, compete more efficiently online. Customer loyalty improves, migrate existing customers online, and values to existing product, service, and brand. If we talk about the promotional strategies, the promotional strategy is one of the key elements of the marketing mix. E-promotion strategy, selective use of new online tools of different stages of buying process and customer life cycle. Online only companions, integrated companions, incorporate online tools into communication mix. Important ways of digital promotion. There are a few important ways through which we can promote: the social blogs, videos, podcasts, social media, social networks, search organic ads, emailing, web emailing, newsletters, e-commerce, mobile applications, widgets, and keywords. Like for the traditional market, it's used the one way, and if we talk about, they are using the two-way communication that take place in Dropbox. In traditional market, the company is just providing the things to the customer, but in Dropbox, in the case of Dropbox, they get the feedbacks from the customers, and they customize according to the things. And after that, one link that I create, it's a blog. There I mentioned the 3 strategies, non-pricing strategies, through the case study. And the one I created is a Facebook page, and in the same, in here I mentioned the 3 non-pricing strategies and a few videos of the Dropbox. So after that, I'll talk about the recommendation. Improve the customer acquisition and retention by the applying internet and digital market techniques and branding. Improve the distribution channels. Improve the quality of the web analytic and management process, advertising, public relations, affiliated programs, email marketing, online newsletters, interactive customer relationship management. So this is all my presentation. If you want to ask any question.
Okay. Anyone want to ask any question? Okay, Farhan, with reference to two-way communication process, can you please open that?
Yes, sir.
The two-way communication takes place with the consumer. That is the attribute of Dropbox, what Dropbox is doing, or that is what you are saying that as a generic approach of digital marketing happening?
So I think in the both cases, like Dropbox.
Both cases mean Dropbox mean only Dropbox, and when we say generic,
Yeah,
mean,
in Dropbox they are doing this.
so you are not taking it as a general approach.
Yeah, I'm not taking it as a general approach. They are using this model as a two-way communication.
No other organization is using, or other organizations are using,
So
but
some other organizations are using, but I'm talking about as compared digital marketing communication is respect to that. The companies which are established on e-business, they are using this approach, two-way business model, communication model.
could you please open the strategies which you was mentioning?
Yep.
Basically, the strategy which you was looking to develop was based on develop the market share.
Yeah.
So, develop the market share. Which approach you are taking? Are you telling me these are the three types of strategies? Then what exactly you are suggesting or you are doing with reference to the case?
So with reference to the case, like
Because these are the general ones.
yeah, these are the in this I'll mention that they are raffle, like 30% of the users that got from the raffles, and they are targeting their, like what they are doing. They are targeting by adding the value to the existing products. Suppose they are giving the extra storage for that. Say password protection, and if we talk about the product development, they are doing the password protections for the consumer. They are providing the add values to the existing product.
Then which three specifically you are talking about? Because what you are saying, they come under these three categories.
Yeah.
So which three out of all these, which three specific?
So Wordbox is one, and like raffles, the new customers, and targeting the customers through internet.
Okay, thank you.